IronMouse makes a harem. I wanna find a way in there, maybe sing this song. Maybe someday she'll notice me, nothing else would be better. Starting with applying, got nothing to lose. Maybe I'll be a part of something. Me, myself, and I got something to prove. IronMouse makes a harem. I got a plan to be a part of that. I've been working trying to be creative. Managed to make something that I'm proud of. Happy you took the time to listen. Just please make a comment so I can make the videos better. Finally see what it means to be family. So you know I got this small problem, always losing, that's just the way it is. My body's too old for simping, I wanna be young, maybe just stay a kid. Not the first time I tried something like this, maybe this will be enough to get me in. I said somebody's got to be the sim, so without money this is what I did. IronMouse makes a harem, will be large enough to fit me in. Mouse will make the decision, choose tonight, am I in or told to go away? So I remember wanting to be in part of your harem, a little crazed, hoping I was enough. See the Twitch stream on before us, she goes to listen, I feel less bolder. And I feel like I belong. I had a feeling I could be the one, be a part of, be in the harem. IronMouse makes a harem. She does so much to entertain us. I still ain't found my home. She works online as a VTuber. I know things will get better. She'll make her harem and I'll find my home. I'll still make parodies and still wonder if she'll ever notice me. So I remember wanting to be in part of your harem, little craze, hoping I was enough. See the Twitch stream on before us, she went through lists and I felt less bolder. And I had a feeling that I belonged. I had a feeling I could be the one, be part of, be in the harem. IronMouse has a harem. I want to do this, maybe it'll pay my bills. IronMouse will always stay lovely. See her stream, laugh and cry is what I did. I'd always hope for better. Thought maybe in her harem I would fit in. I got my plans and I ain't gonna stop now. And I will watch her harem, wonder if it'll grow. So I remember wanting to be in part of your harem, a little crazed, hoping I was enough. See the Twitch stream on before us, she went through the list and I felt less bolder. And I had a feeling that I belonged. I had a feeling I could be the one, be a part of, be in the harem. IronMouse makes a harem. Will it be large enough to fit me in? Mouse will make the decision. Choose tonight, am I in or go away?